In today's video, we'll talk about SoSoValue, and I'm going to be showing you how to complete the humanity task that they recently introduced into the app. In my last video, I showed you guys how to complete the task up to 30%. So in this video, like I promised, I'm going to be showing you how to complete it up to 60%, 100%, and then 120%, so that you're going to get access to all of your airdrops when they finally decided to distribute. So pay attention and let's head straight into the video. Now, the first thing you want to do is to open up your SoSoValue application. Look at the bottom right of your screen, this EXP. Tap on it, it will take you to the EXP page. Then the next thing you want to do is you are going to see this humanity task. That is this boost real user probability. As you can see, I have done it up to 30%. If you have not done your own up to 30%, check the top of this video that you're currently watching. I'll have pinned my last video there so that you can go and watch how you can do it up to 30%. Now, for you to do it up to 60%, you can do two things. Either trade 5k USD, which is the first option, or you buy 15 Mark 7 SSI. For those of you that watched my last video, I promised you guys that I'm going to be showing you how to use just $15 to trade this 5k USD and get it. But before we talk about that, because I'm going to be talking about that towards the end of my video, let me show you how to complete this task purchasing the 15 mag SSI. And the reason why I'm going to be doing this is because the mag is currently cheap. This will not cost you more than $10 or even $8 to complete this task. Next thing you want to do is to tap on that buy and deposit. Make sure that you are using your connected wallet. In my last video, I showed you how to connect the wallet already. Now, this is the link that was shown to me. It took me to my Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and copy that link, and then I'll head into my OKX Web3 wallet, which is the wallet that I connected for this task. That is why I'm going to be using it. If I try to do this in Chrome, it might be complicated. So I'm going to advise use your OKX Web3 wallet or any wallet that you're comfortable with. So once you come to this place, you tap the top of your screen, paste in the link, and then I am going to now access the link page. So this is the link here. Let's tap on it and see what is going to display for us. So I'm going to go ahead and wait for it to load up. Now, once this thing loads up, you're going to see it will take you to this page where it tells you to deposit to vault or to get 15 mag, get the mag 7 SSI, blah, blah, blah. Now, you're going to tap on that get mag 7 SSI, since that is what we're going to be doing in this video. Once you tap on it, it is going to take you to this page. This is where you get to see the price. As you can see, currently Mark 7 SSI is currently at 0.5. So I'm going to tap on this buy. Once you tap on buy, it will take you to this page. But the problem currently is that for me to purchase, I need to deposit. If I tap on buy, it is not going to work because I have not deposited my USDT or USDC yet. So you tap on this deposit button at the top of your screen. Once you tap on it, it is going to show you the token that you want to deposit. For this, I'm going to be using USDC. And yeah, I'm going to be using Base Network. That is Base USDC. The reason why I'm going to be using this is because gas fee on this network is cheap, unlike using Ethereum or other ones. And as you can see, they told me that the minimum I can deposit is at least 5 USDC. So once I read that instruction, the next thing I'm going to do is to copy my wallet address and go ahead to deposit. Now, for this video, I'm going to be depositing 10 USDC. You can purchase your USDC from any exchange of your choice. For me, my favorite is BitGet or Bybit. In case you want to purchase and you can't access these exchanges or you don't want to use it for some reason, you can send me a DM. Check the description box of this video. You're going to get a link there to my WhatsApp contact where you can message me on WhatsApp to purchase any of this your coin. So I will now head into my exchange and go and deposit the USDC. If you look on my screen here, I have deposited the USDC. But this page refreshed. I don't know why, but I think my phone misbehaved at this point. So the page refreshed. Now, for me to view what I have deposited, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this hamburger menu at the top right of my screen. Then I'll go ahead and tap on this portfolio section. Once you tap on it and it loads, you can see this is the USDC I deposited, $10.33. Now, the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and do the purchase of the Mark 7. For this, I am going to tap the link again. That is the link I copied from SoSoValue. Now, the next thing I want to do is to tap on this Get Mag 7 SSI. Once it takes me to this page, it is going to load up. The next thing I want to do is to tap on this buy button. As you can see, the buy button is at the bottom left of my screen. Now, what they ask us to deposit to complete that task is 15. So what I'm going to put in this box to purchase is 15. Yeah, let me put 15 there and let's see if that is going to work. So once you do that, you first of all have to enable your trading for this to work. So I am gonna go ahead, and as you can see, 15 is currently about 7.7 USDC. So I'm going to first of all enable my trading. After enabling the trading, I'm going to accept this stay signed in so that it will not stress me whenever I'm trying to do it on this page again. The next thing I'm going to do is to tap on this buy, and then I confirm the order. Now you can see order has been filled. That is to say I have purchased the Max 7. Now for us to verify that this purchase is successful, I will have to go over to my portfolio once again to view it before we now do the vault task. So for this, I'm gonna tap on, okay, let me first of all reload this link. Let's paste the link that I copied again so that it will take me to this page. Let me see if I'll be able to do the task from there. Okay, as you can see, it has reloaded. So what I want to do is to tap on this hamburger menu, tap on my portfolio, and I'm gonna scroll up so that I can view the assets that I have. Currently my vault balance is 0. I remember we have to deposit the max 7 into vault balance. Now you can see my max 7 is 14 points. This is 14 point something, and that is because I made a mistake. I should have made it higher. I should have put something like 16 to cover for gas fee. But since I did that mistake, I did not get up to the 15. So I will have to purchase more again so that I'll have the 15. So what I'm going to do is to head back to that trading page. As I come back to the page, I'm going to tap on the buy button once again, and then I'll try to buy. Now, there is a problem with this page. I want to buy two, but you can see the minimum is, I think, 9 or 10. It's not allowing me to buy two. So I'm going to first of all sell the one that I bought. Yes, I'm gonna tap everything. I think what I bought is 14 point something, so I'll be putting 100% so that I am going to sell all. Let me confirm this order. So as you can see, I have sold all. That means that I now have my 10 USDC back. So I'm gonna switch it over to buy, and this time around I'm gonna be putting, what shall we put? Let's put 17. So that should be enough to cover for gas fee. So I'm going to go ahead and buy right now. Tap on the confirm button. I have bought it successfully. So I'll go over to the hamburger menu once again. Tap on that portfolio. Once I tap on the portfolio, I'm going to scroll up and see if the purchase is successful. So as you can see, it is successful. I now have this amount of Max 7. Now what I need to do now is to deposit the Max 7 into the vault. For this, I'm going to paste the link again. After pasting it, the link has reloaded. The next thing you want to do is to tap on this deposit to vault. Yeah. So I'll tap on that deposit to vault. On this page, you're going to select, I'll just be putting 15. As you can see, I currently have 16.98. So what they require me to deposit is just 15. So let's tap on deposit. Okay, it did not give me the button to select, but then that is not the problem. So I'm going to confirm. As you can see, it has done successfully. Let me approve and confirm it. Okay, you can take your time and read this instruction that is shown on the screen here, very importantly, and then you proceed and approve the transaction. So yeah, that is basically that about that, and this is all there is to it on completing the task. Now some of you might want to ask, how do you get to withdraw your max 7 back? I will talk about that towards the end of this video, but let us first of all confirm this transaction, and then I'll show you that the task has been successfully done. So you can see the transaction is currently processing. Let's keep our fingers crossed and wait. Okay, you can see the task is now processed. So what I'm going to do now is to head back into my SoSoValue application and verify the task. In my SoSoValue, I'm going to head to the EXP page once again. I'll allow the page to load. Then the next thing you want to do is to tap on that keep going button. So after tapping on it, it takes me to this page. Now the next thing I want to do is to tap on this verify since I have purchased it, and I'm going to tap on this use EVM because I used my wallet. For those of you that registered on Sudex with your email, you can use the email option, but I used my wallet. So you can see, congratulations, 60% real user profitability. The task has now been done successfully. And that is basically all there is to it on completing this task. Now, the next task now is for me to trade either 20k USD or purchase MAG 75. I think MAG 75 should be, sorry, MAG 75, MAG 7 SSI, blah, blah, blah. I think that should be around maybe $50, or no, not $50. It should be around $30 or something like that if you're calculating properly. And then the last task is to now do the 100k USD or trade, that is to get up to 100% and the likes. But then we'll be talking about that. Let's head back to this page and let me show you, after you have done this, how to withdraw back from vault, because I know this is what a lot of people will be asking. If I go over to this my page, you can see my vault balance is currently $8.7 and my available balance is currently this. So if I, this is not the withdraw page, I'll show you the withdraw page. Heading back to this my main page, you can see there is a withdraw button. So I'm going to tap on it, and as you can see, this is my Mark 7 SSI. Now, if you read this thing, according to them, after you withdraw from your vault, it is going to take a period of 14 days for you to get access back to your fund. Yeah, so that is basically that about that. It will take you 14 days. But nevertheless, I will draw it today so that in the next 14 days, I'll have access back to my funds. So the next thing you want to do after you must have taken your time to go through the details, you click on the withdraw button. I'm going to go ahead and approve. Let's go ahead and confirm it. So once you're done with this, it is going to, I don't know why it's bringing all of this sign up and likes, but then proceed and do everything. Now, once you're done with all of these things, you're going to get, let's head back to this page and see my portfolio once more. Now you can see withdrawal in progress. So you're going to wait for this withdrawal in progress to complete loading before you now proceed to the next page. All right, as you can see, withdrawal is successful. But then here is the thing. This withdrawal successful means that I have successfully withdrawn it from my vault. That does not mean that I can withdraw it to my wallet. I have to wait for a period of 14 days for me to be able to withdraw this from my wallet. So if I head back to my home screen, okay, let me exit this page and head back to my home screen. Now you can see this is loading. You can see my 16.97 mic 7 is loading, and it will be available on, you can see the date. So that is basically that about that. After 14 days, it will now be released for me. Yes. So same thing, if you deposit 75 mag, you deposit 200 mag, any amount of mag that you deposit in the vault, if you decide to withdraw, it will take you a period of 14 days for you to get it back. In case you want to purchase more mag, maybe 75 or whatsoever, the method is still the same thing. You click on that get mag, it takes you to the trading page, and you basically have to deposit the amount of USD or USDT you want to purchase. Now, as you can see, the task has been successfully completed. So if I head back into my SoSoValue application, you can see it's now at 60%. If you also want to take it to 100% or 120%, it's the same thing. You either purchase 75 Mark 7 or you purchase the 200 Mark 7. Now, in my last video, I told you guys that I'm going to show you how to use $15 or $20 or $300 to trade up to the 5K. But what I wanted to show you, the method I wanted to show you that you're not going to lose your money, is by swapping, trading from USDT to USDC, since it's a stable coin. But if you notice, I have not made that video and I decided not to. The reason is this: they introduced this task because they are checking for humanity. So if you decided to trade USD to USDT like that, it is going to be like a robot action, so they might end up flagging your account and it's not going to be profitable. That is why I decided to use this simple method. So yes, for those of you that have the money, purchase the Mark 7 SSI, deposit it. After 14 days, withdraw your money and your task is completed. So that is basically that about that. In case you still want to complete your Cedar Chain KYC, don't forget, like I said, reach out to me on WhatsApp. Check the description box of this video. You see the link there to my Telegram channel where you can pick my WhatsApp contact from. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and turn on your bell icon to get notifications whenever a new video is uploaded, just like this one.